When most people think about electric cars, the first thing they say is, they're too expensive. But what if I told you that electric cars are actually saving you way more money than you think? Let's break it down step by step. First, let's talk about fuel costs. Gas prices are unpredictable and can shoot up overnight. Meanwhile, charging an EV at home usually costs just a few dollars for a full charge. Even if you charge at a fast public charger, it's often cheaper than filling a gas tank. Some workplaces and malls even offer free charging, meaning you could literally drive for free part of the time. Over the course of a year, the average EV owner saves hundreds, sometimes over $1,000, just on fuel alone. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Next up, maintenance. Traditional gas-powered cars are filled with moving parts, oil pumps, transmissions, exhaust systems, and every single one of those parts can break or wear out. Electric cars? Way simpler. They don't need oil changes. They don't have exhaust systems. Regenerative braking even means your brake pads last way longer. In fact, a 2021 Consumer Reports study found that EV owners spend about 50% less on maintenance compared to gas car owners. That's a huge saving over the life of the car. And then there are government incentives. Depending on where you live, you might qualify for federal tax credits up to $7,500. Some states throw in their own rebates, plus discounts on home chargers or even free access to HOV lanes. And let's be real, getting money back just for switching to an EV feels like a cheat code. Insurance has also improved massively. At first, insuring EVs was expensive because repair shops weren't ready for the technology. But now, EVs are getting higher safety ratings, and insurers are offering better rates. Some insurance companies even offer eco-friendly driver discounts. More ways to keep your wallet happy. And here's something most people overlook: resale value. As more cities announce bans on gas vehicles in the next 10 to 15 years, EVs are becoming more and more desirable. Brands like Tesla, Rivian, and Hyundai are seeing EV hold their value shockingly well. Instead of your car's value dropping like a rock, you might actually keep more of your investment compared to traditional gas cars. Finally, don't forget the long-term savings. Even if EVs have a higher upfront cost, the lifetime cost of ownership is often way lower. Fuel savings, fewer repairs, government incentives, and possible perks like free charging or parking all stack up over the years. So when you really do the math, electric cars aren't just good for the planet. They're good for your wallet too. Maybe the real question isn't, can I afford an electric car? Maybe it's, can I afford not to drive one? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome car content. See you in the next one.